Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily buy Shopify themes. So all you have to do is just head over to themes.shopify.com, and from this webpage, you can easily purchase Shopify themes for your store. And if we scroll down for a bit, you can easily see top themes that you can choose from, but if you want a specific theme, we can just head over and click on Browse Themes. So from here, you can see hundreds of themes choices, but in the left corner of the screen, you can also see here filters, so you can easily pick out the best theme that you're looking for. You can change if you're looking for a free theme, you can easily just check this. And what industry are you looking for? Is it related to arts and crafts? And you also have a choice to filter out catalog size if your shop has 1 to 9 products or more, and features. And from here, you can easily pick out the best theme option that you can buy. Say, for example, we're going to purchase this strong theme. Next is just click on Try Theme. And from here, you will be redirected to your online store, and you will have a preview on how your theme will look like on your Shopify store. And from here, as you can see, the theme is already added to our theme library. And if you decide to purchase the theme, just click on Buy. You will then be redirected to this payment page, and all you have to do is just add an address for your store. Then next, just pick a payment method that you're going to choose to, of course, pay for the theme that you're going to purchase. Then once done, you can easily just click on buy theme. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!